Hello everyone, it's me, Yolitong, and for today's video, we will play Fears to Follow, Home Alone. Yeah, I'm playing the first episode, free version, because I can't afford the other episodes. But, we're gonna play this. Welcome to another December, playing random games until the end of December. Yeah, okay. Let's do this, and promise this is the last horror game, and tomorrow we're going to play a happy game. This is last one, like I said, very last one. Alright, let's go play. I hope my game don't crash. Please don't crash. It did not crash. Alright, let's do this. And if you're enjoying my daily uploads, please subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe. I don't want to put this up on Reddit just for it. Piece of friction. I don't even know where to start. Huh? Excuse my lack of good storytelling skills. Well, this is one of the popular horror games so far. So, you did a very good job. Yeah. I think this was the most popular. I mean, some popular. Okay, never mind. It was the middle of summer. My parents had led this for that weekend due to work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I don't have to mention my sleep schedule or stuff. I would sleep and get up just about any time after that. Though I plan on fixing that. Wait, what? Is that the story or is that the creator? I don't know. Confusing. Oh yes! Pause. Can I pause? Oh, what is this? Message, Mom. Wait, we're going to come back. Dad and I are going to cool. Take your honey, take your time. I like to get to this ground. Of course, you sure thing that yo, coming to just shut up. I woke up at around 8 after that napping. Oh, this bring up the chats. How to pause? You can pause. That's great. Damn! For the first time, I don't need to check if the recording is working. I know it's working because it's not lagging. The problem is my sensitivity. It takes years. Okay. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, one swipe. Oh my goodness, the quality, even I'm in the fastest graphics. It's kinda cool. New message. Escape. No need to order anything. Alright, I made lasagna this one. Check the fridge. Okay, what kind of sensitivity is this, bro? You know what? Let's check if the recording is working. I don't want to just restart the recording all over again because I don't want a fake reaction. I want to play the full game, honestly. Alright. Okay, I just checked. The recording is working. Alright, let's do this. What kind of sensitivity is this? Like, literally. What? Why do we need to crouch? It's not shift. I can't run. C is crouch. Oh. The thing is also crouch. Fridge. Check the fridge. Lasagna. Is this lasagna? Oh, this is lasagna. That's lasagna. Close the fridge. Waste of electricity. Where's the oven? Put oven in lasagna. Open, open. Alright, check the oven. Open up, open up. Give me food. I'm hungry. Give me. Yeah. Let's put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Where do I put this? Plate, plate, plate. What do I do? Should I sit? Where's the tutorial? Why is there no tutorial? Where is the out there? Huh? Huh? Ah, there's the tutorial. Why do you have your own window open? But this window is closed. Where do I sit? Do I sit here? Is this where I sit? Where is that sitting? Where can I sit? That's the TV. What am I supposed to do? Oh, there. What? Well, I guess this is their first game, so that's fine. Oh, I can. Yeah! We're watching TV! Oh, yeah, there, hey, he's coming. What is that? I can't see, bro. Wow, it's a mirror. Oh, the glass break. Okay. I can't see. Oh my goodness. It's blurred. Oh man, it restarts. What is that? We're back here. Okay. Oh man. What am I supposed to do? Oh, eat! Oh my goodness. I need to eat. Okay. Ah! Hi. What was that? We're gonna have a call. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something came up, but you can come to Jessica to. Can I? What was that? I heard a car. Where's the car? Where's the car? I didn't see any car. Why am I so slow climbing the stairs? Where's the door? Something weird. Where's the car? That shoo shoo. Oh wait, what happened? Oh, never mind. That's the. Hi. Chill out, dude. All good. All good. Just go. Boy. Oh man, we can fly. Okay, homework. 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 We're doing homework. I'm a good kid. 12:38 a.m. AM. Oh my goodness. I accidentally stepped on my feet with my chair. Hello. Let's stay up till late, you kids. I should get to your homework this time. Alright. My boy did chat her with his mom. I don't know. Didn't chat. 1:16 p.m. Got up to get some water. Okay. Something's not right. Volume max. Okay. Something. Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that, guys? I hear something. There's someone down there. I swear. Do I drink it? How do I drink water? How to drink water? How do I drink? Ah, there we go. Right click. Up left click. So, what can I do? Why is it so slow coming up the stairs? Kok, 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 kok. This is some delicious water. Huh? One image? Damn! I can't see! Is that a man? And that's our house? Is that mom? Should we check? No, I'm not gonna check. I'm going to sleep. Click to hide. Okay. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Should I check what mom said? Mother. Huh? Huh? Oh, I can zoom. What am I doing? Am I closing my eyes? I'm clicking left click. What does that mean? Help me. Help me. I'm pressing enter. What am I doing? What am I supposed to do? Should I call the cops? Okay. What am I supposed to do? Alright, let's go check at who's at the door. Oh hell no. Oopsie. Oh. Run. Correle. Nope. Hide. Click to hide. Hide. Okay, let's check the message. Hi. Polo sent it. Said he's been creeping through the window while calling the cops. You could. Hi. Okay, just hide. Chillax. Don't make a sound. Don't even breathe. It's a intruder alert. No? Hell no. Not going to answer that. Whoever you are. Boy, help. No, no, no. Not answering that. Who do you think you are? It's Paula. Nah, that's probably fake. I'm not answering that. Should I? Or should I not? I'm not answering that. Or do I need to? Mom's so sorry. Do you hear her? It's Paula at the door. Mom's so sorry, honey. Everything's gonna be alright. Something's not right. Okay, fine. Stupid cabrones. Not doing this. No, no. Oh, wait lang. Okay, it just closes the game after I got caught by the evil guy. Well, I think that's the end, guys. Is it the end? Yeah. Well, we got the ending. We got caught. Yeah, I'm not doing all of that again just to get the another ending. It took 10 minutes. Yeah. Well, guys, we got the dead ending, I guess. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And like literally tomorrow, we're going to play a happy game. Yes, a very happy game. We are not going to play horror game tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. And that's the end. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, goodbye. Yeah, this game was fun. I will totally buy the other games, but no money. Yeah, okay, goodbye.